I can tell you with utter certainty that it will not make a single jot of difference to the way people feel about shopping on your website. Now, how do I know that? Well, because through my own testing, vitamin C serum, Australia, through my own testing, we have done loads and loads of things about running Google AdWords and on our AdWords. So if we look at an advert here, this is an ad. One of the pieces of real estate you get to be able to optimize to get clicks is the domain name, which is shown, okay? You get the domain name, you can optimize that. So I've done loads and loads of split tests where I've done an A/B test between .com.au and .com. It's exactly the same domain, zero difference, all right? So I know with certainty there's zero difference. However, there's an extra part to this, because let's go up a little bit. In organic search results, it's, I believe, different. And the reason is, intuitively, if I am in Australia and I want to buy a product to be shipped to me in Australia, I believe that the .com.au matters on organic search results. Now, I've got nothing but anecdotal evidence to support that assumption or assertion. However, intuitively, that makes sense to me if I am looking to buy a product in Australia and I want to buy an Australian product and get it shipped to me from Australia. I think I would give preference or at least additional weight to a website that had a .com.au domain name. I believe that would be the case. I've got no hard evidence or statistical data to back that up, but that would be my intuitive feeling about it. So if I were to definitely choose, and I'm going to be selling in Australia, then I would get a .com.au. Under that particular set of circumstances, I would get the .com.au. But outside of that, if you're just going to run ads and things like that, and for emails, zero difference. And I've got conclusive proof that that is the case. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.